Good morning, world. It's gonna be a perfect day for adventure.
Yes, it is. I can already feel the excitement. Hey, look at these. What kind of tracks are these? Wow, I've never seen footprints like that before. Look at all these beautiful flowers. They smell amazing. Where are we going today? Look, Barnaby, the sparkly butterflies. Wow, they are beautiful. I wonder where they are going. Here are your favorite leaves. Oh boy, thank you. They look delicious. Whoa, that was a big bump.
Are we stuck, Monkey?
Hold on tight. This bumpy road won't last forever.
I hope so. I'm scared. The engine is overheating. Look at the smoke.
I'm scared, Monkey. What's happening? Oh, bother! We're stuck now! Look, Monkey! The tire is completely flat!
That sounds like trouble. But look, I know just what to do.
What is it, Monkey?
Found the problem, little buddy. It's a sharp nail.
Oh dear, how do we fix it?
Don't worry, I have an idea.
I found it. It looks pretty, but this star is the reason the tire is flat.
See this? This is the core piece we need. It's delicate, but it will help us fix everything.
Look at this scuff, Barnaby.
It looks broken, aren't you worried?
Not at all. I know exactly how we can fix this.
Don't worry, little friend. Everything is going to be okay. I feel better now, thank you. There we go. Now, which tool should we use? I think this wrench will work perfectly.
Look what I've got here. With this pump and these patches, we'll fix it right up. Wow, that looks complicated. Takes muscle, but we're almost there.
You did it, Monkey. Let's roll.
A clean tool is a happy tool, Rabbit. All organized.
Hooray! We did it, Monkey.
All right, Rabbit. Let's get this adventure started.
Hooray! I can't wait to see the farm.
Buckle up, Rabbit. Safety first.
Look, it clicked and glowed. Let's go!
Wow, look at all the colorful fish.
They are swimming so fast.
We're entering the forest now. See how the sunbeams help the flowers grow. And the butterflies too.
And then we build the bridge right over here.
That sounds amazing, Monkey. Don't worry, little friend. We'll fix your home together. It'll be stronger than before. This spot is perfect. It will keep the little ones safe and sound.
Mother bird keeps her precious eggs safe and warm right here in the nest.
That was absolutely wonderful. You're getting better every day. Bye-bye, Birdie. Have a safe flight. See you soon.
Hello, friends.
Isn't it a lovely day up here in the branches?
It sure is, Bird. We were just enjoying the view.
Isn't this the best way to travel, Rabbit?
I love the wind in my ears. It feels like flying. We make a great team.
We really do. I'm glad we're together.
We're almost home, buddy. Time to park this big green machine.
Hooray! I'm getting hungry. All right, team, listen up. We'll put the big logs here for the new barn extension, and then we can paint it rainbow colors. What do you say?
All right, team. The ancient temple is just down this way. Follow me. Isn't the forest beautiful today?
Okay, everyone, here is the plan. We clear the tall weeds first, then we use this amazing soil to plant the new seeds right over there.
Elephant, if you could just pull those vines right there.
Wow, that was amazing!
Great job clearing those vines. They help keep the trellis healthy.
Look, everyone! We finally finished clearing the garden! It looks amazing!
Wow, look at this! A secret pond! It's beautiful!
Wow, look at that spray! That is amazing!
Look, everyone! It's finally blooming! It's so beautiful and blue!
I've never seen one like this before.
This soil is perfect. We're planting the new seeds right here tomorrow, and they'll be the biggest vegetables you've ever seen. Don't you worry, little friend. I promise to water and care for these flowers.
Every single day!
This garden is looking amazing. I can't wait to see how much it grows. We're gonna have the best vegetables in the whole forest. Look, everyone, a monarch butterfly. If we follow it, it might lead us to the Whispering Falls before sunset.
Wow, this soil is perfect for planting, isn't it, Horace?
Sure is, Monty. Let's keep digging.
Here you go, little plants. Hey, that tickles. Watch where you're aiming that trunk. Ta-da! What do you think? Nice and tight.
It's perfect for the new garden. Wow, that looks absolutely perfect, dear. You did a great job. Teamwork really paid off. This is the best scarecrow in the whole garden.
Wow, look at it go! It's growing so fast!
It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this perfect carrot. And the cabbages look wonderful too. Wow, look everyone! The sun turned the water into colors. It's a beautiful rainbow. We did it! Now this sand is ready for the foundation! And now we add the fine sand to make the perfect castle base.
They're doing a fantastic job. Keep digging, puppies.
Maybe we'll find some buried treasure. And that's how you lay a foundation. Great job watching, everyone!
Ta-da! The new doghouse is ready. Come on in, puppies.
We did it! The roof is finished!
Look, puppies, a colorful swirl for your new home. Look, everyone, the doghouse looks so much better with these flowers. Great job, puppies! Look, everyone, it's puppy paradise. Come on in. Enjoy! Look how tall it is getting! Whoa! Careful up there, little guy!
Let's play fetch, little friends. Go get the red ball.
Great job, little ones! Keep climbing! Ha-ha! Look at those silly puppies! They are having so much fun! Let's play fetch under the moon. Ready, set, go! Okay, puppies, time to head inside. Let's go!
Wakey, wakey, little pups.
It's time for adventure!
Come on out, everyone. It's time to play!